Welcome to Grow Potential. Do you know that every emotion and energy, whether it is anger, lust, or just physical vitality, comes from the same source, energy itself? Think of a small child, so full of energy. If he wants to break a glass and you simply stop him, that energy is suppressed. The same happens with our anger and sexual energy, they too want to do something. The real question is, how do we channel this energy in the right direction instead of suppressing it? This insight comes from Osho Dhyan Sutra, where he beautifully explains that energy should never be suppressed, it should be transformed. Sexual energy transformation. When you feel desire or lust, don't suppress it. Instead, direct it into creative activities. Creative arts, painting, sculpture, poetry, or writing. Physical practices, yoga, running, Kundalini yoga, pranayama. Music and dance, express it through rhythm, movement, or playing instruments. Imagination and symbolic transformation, turn that energy into creation, like designing, crafting, or even growing a flower. Remember, just like the child who wanted to break the glass, your energy wants to become light. Channel it into meditation, art, or creation. Anger transformation. When anger arises, don't suppress it either. Give it a constructive outlet. Physical release, hit a pillow, pull a rope, or do some boxing. Artistic expression, express your rage through painting, sketching, or molding clay. Meditation and breath work, feel the anger fully in your body, then release it through awareness and breath. Simply telling yourself, don't be angry, won't work. Instead, direct the energy, like guiding a child from breaking a glass to shaping a clay pot. Practical tips. 1. Journaling, write your lust or anger into words, poems, or stories. 2. Physical activity, yoga, running, or strength training. 3. Creative work, painting, music, dance, sketching, or crafts. 4. Meditation and visualization, imagine your anger or desire turning into light, color, or creative power. Energy is the root of life. Don't suppress it, learn to give it a creative direction. When you do, not only will stress disappear, but you will also discover the immense joy of your own inner strength and creativity. From today, transform every emotion into light. Turn anger and desire into creation, and live a more vibrant, powerful life. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.